sweet. An airplane zooming through the sky so neat. B is for ball that we bounce and throw, and a cuddly bear that says hello. C is for cat with a happy purr, and car that goes with a broom and a whir. D is for duck who says quack quack, and drum we bang with a rat-tat-tat-tat-tat-tat. E is for elephant, big and gray, and egg that cracks in a funny way. F is for fish that swims so fast, and fire truck racing quickly past. G is for giraffe so tall and grand, and guitar we strum in a rocking band. H is for house with windows and door, and helicopter that likes to soar. I is for igloo made of snow, and ice cream cone we love to show. J is for jelly, jiggly and fun, and jump so high in the shining sun. K is for kite flying up so high, and kangaroo hopping way up to the sky. L is for lion with a mighty roar, and lemon that's sour to the core. M is for moon that glows so bright, and monkey swinging left and right. N is for nest with eggs inside, and net we use when we play outside. O is for octopus with wiggly feet, and orange that's a tasty treat. P is for panda, cuddly and slow, and piano where sweet notes flow. Q is for queen with the royal crown, and quilt so warm when the sun goes down. R is for rainbow with colors so wide, and robot with blinking eyes so bright. S is for sun shining up above, and sandwich made with things we love. T is for train that goes choo-choo, and trees so tall with leaves so new. U is for umbrella in the rain, and unicorn with the magic mane. V is for violin playing a song, and volcano rumbling all day long. W is for whale that swims in the sea, and window to peek out and see. X is for cyno with colors bright, and x-ray that shows your bones just right. Y is for yo-yo spinning around, and yacht that sails without a sound. Z is for zebra with stripes black and white, and zipper that zips your coat up tight.
Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn and have fun. You'll see. We'll play, explore, and laugh out loud. Bright explorers make us proud. Bright explorers, let's go